Look at this. I tried to record 4K 60 frames per second on the Pixel. I'm on the Pixel. Look, your device is too hot. I have never had this happen ever until right now. I've had this phone for 8 months and it's never given me this. Your device is too hot. There have been some people on Reddit and across the internet that have been saying this takes a lot of skill driving, filming while filming another phone. I've seen some people complain about this online, and I said, well, damn, I'm glad mine hasn't done that. And now look at it, it's finally done it. So I've had mine for 8 months and never had it where it says your device is too hot, because it will not record. I tried to record and it will not record. Now I did have it up here in my little in my phone holder, and I was in the sun, so it's probably the back of the phone is really hot. So it was in the sun. It was, look, if I was in the shade the whole time or in the home, well, it's 90. Look what it says. It's 100 degrees here in South Texas. So that's why this was sitting in the sun probably for 15 minutes, because I was in the line of a fast food restaurant. So it's sitting in 100-degree heat, well, in the sun. It's in the car, but still, you know, the dash is hot. So I've never had that happen before, and I'm actually very surprised that finally happened. But for good reason, I guess, because, well, at least I know why, is because it was sitting in the sun on my dashboard for 15 minutes in direct sunlight. So if you're potentially wanting to get that phone, the Pixel, and look, that could happen to any device sitting up underneath in the sun, because it was on my dashboard for about 15 minutes recording some videos for y'all, and it just overheated. So that's very interesting. I've never had that happen before. And it says device is too hot, close camera until device cools off. Yeah, see, it's really hot back here. So, and it may be the case too. The thicker the case, the more durable your case is. It doesn't dissipate heat very well, so it holds all that heat in. So, wow, that's the first time for me. So just note that. And look, that could happen. It could have happened to the S23 Ultra if it was up there in the sun for 15 minutes. It's 100 degrees. Very hot here in South Texas. I was actually outside of the car before the fast food line. So iPhones, I've heard that happen to iPhones. So it may not be specifically happen because of the Pixel. Again, could have been any phone, but it did happen. So just note that. See, it won't even let me hit record or even take. Now it says video. Let's see if I switch it to camera, what it will do. Okay, look, check this out. So the camera, so it will not let you do video, but it will let you do photos. So you can do photos, so you can still take photos, but you cannot take a video. Let's try that. Video. Ah, there we go. Okay. Recording may suddenly end, device is hot. All right, well, you get the idea. It'll still take pictures. It's just 4K, probably cranks it up all the way. The processor is going in overdrive. I haven't cleared any of my apps, so I'll probably have like 20 apps in the background. So, well, at least we were able to see that. So I will definitely include this in the video because that is some important information. But I am home and I have to attend to the family. So that is it for the video. I appreciate y'all joining, and subscribe. Got any questions, holler at me. I'll be more than welcome to answer any and all questions. So I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.